feel very excited,
What are you
very
most,
pleased.
sorry, go ahead. Sorry, what was that?
Go ahead. He didn't.
Oh, we're really excited about being able to get the vaccine. We waited a long time, and I guess there's going to be a gang here that are I'm pretty excited about it too.
And what are you most excited about to get it?
Well, we're very excited that once we get the vaccine, we're going to get back into a little more normal lifestyle eventually.
What's one of the things you're most looking forward to doing once you have the vaccine that you haven't been able to do?
Well, we'll be able to leave the place here and go out and visit our family. I guess we're going to have to wait 2 or 3 weeks to do this after we get the vaccine. But you know, we've been here since this whole thing started. I guess about 10 months. That we're pretty well locked down. We're not able to get out. We can go out, but if we come back in, of course, then we have to be very careful and I guess keep ourselves closed up for a little while. It's been tough.
It's been tough just not being able to leave and things like that is what you're saying. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, well, I appreciate you explaining that. Is there anything else about just, you know, how hard of a year it's been and now this, I guess, gives a glimmer of hope?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
Do you anything else about how hard this year has been for you and how this offers you some hope?
Well, in a way, we've been very lucky because we're very well protected being at Wellmore here. They've been very careful to make sure we are able to stay safely without being too much in contact with outside people. But it's, you know, it's difficult because we haven't been able to see family and that kind of thing. So getting the vaccine today is very important to us. And we're very thankful that we're going to be able to get it this early. I think a lot of the people in here feel the same way.
Yeah, you said early because, you know, obviously there's a lot of people waiting for the vaccine, but you're saying that you feel fortunate that you're going to be getting it, you know, within a couple weeks of it coming out.
Yes, indeed. We do feel very fortunate.
Okay. And do you know what time, when are you scheduled? Have you gotten it already or when are you scheduled to get it?
What was that? What was that?
Have you gotten the vaccine already or are you scheduled to get it today?
No, we're sitting waiting to get in to have it.
So you'll be getting it at some point today, but you don't know what time, but at some point today.
Not time, no.
Okay. That's what you're waiting for. Well, thank you so much for taking the time. And that's your wife, I'm assuming?
Yes.
How long have you guys been married?
67 years.
Wow. Congratulations. All right. And Jean, and if we could just kind of focus on Jean, that would be great. Jean, thank you for doing this. So I know I just talked to your husband. How do you feel about getting the vaccine?
Well, like my husband, I'm very excited. The thought of being able to have more activities here at Wellmore, as well as being able to go out and see family. Our daughter is here from Nashville, and we can only talk to her through the door.
Wow. So you've kind of just been able to wave at her, but haven't really been able to touch other family.
Well, it's pretty hard to carry on a conversation through the door.
I can imagine, yeah.
It is a glass door, so we can see her, but we haven't seen her since last Christmas, so we'll be glad to be able to see her next time.
See her, or you mean like hold her?
What was that?
You see her in person, you mean, like without a door between you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long have you been waiting for something like this, like a vaccine or some way out of this, the pandemic?
Well, we've been under lockdown since the middle of March. And only off the premises here to go to a doctor's if we have to. So it's a funny life when going to the doctor's is a big event.
So have you been thinking about the possibility of like a vaccine for weeks or months and hoping that something?
Oh, we've been hoping. We didn't think it'd be along this fast. Like most vaccines take a year and a half before they say they're safe. So we didn't really expect to see one this fast.
And you're getting yours in the next day as well, sometime today too?
Yeah.
Well, and what do you so you're most looking forward to being able to see and hold your family again?
Well, yes, yes.
Well,
They're very anxious too. One of our sons says he's planning a big celebration when we can get out of here.
And this is just a few days after Christmas and the holiday season. Is this one of the best gifts you think you could have gotten for coming out of that?
A pretty good Christmas present.